Terra Summer Outdoor Living Spaces. Installation Guide for the Lumina Privacy Shutters. Measurements and Preparation. Step 1A. Make sure the interior dimensions of the opening match the opening dimensions indicated on the packing slip. Frame assembly. Step 2. Assembling a frame with center uprights. If you are installing only one panel, please skip to the Step 2, assembling a frame without center uprights. A. Take the bottom frame and insert the center uprights into the small aluminum tabs in the bottom frame. B. Attach the center uprights to the bottom frame by inserting the screws into the screw holes at the bottom of the center uprights. C. Insert 2 of the 4 corner pieces into the ends of the bottom frame. D. Slide the side uprights onto the corner pieces of the bottom frame. Use the Allen key to gently tighten the bottom corners so that they are at 90 degrees. E. Insert the 2 remaining corner pieces into the ends of the top frame. F. Take the top frame and simultaneously insert the aluminum tabs into the center uprights and the corner pieces into the side uprights. G. Attach the center uprights to the top frame by inserting the screws into the screw holes at the top of the center uprights. H. Use the Allen key to tighten the top corners so that they are at 90 degrees. I. Securely tighten all 4 corners and ensure the frame ends are perfectly aligned. Frame insertion. 3A. Make sure the dimensions of the opening allow the frame to sit inside the opening without being forced. The widest part of the frame must be on the outside of the opening. B. Slide the frame into the opening. C. Using all the screw holes around the edge of the frame, secure the frame with the appropriate screws for the material the frame is being attached to. Installing the capping. 4A. Take the U-shaped covers without holes and slide them into the inner grooves at the top and bottom of the frame. If you have more than 2 panels, the longest U-shaped cover must be used for the central panels. The U-shaped covers with holes are marked with arrows. B. Slide the U-shaped covers with holes into the left and right groove of each panel, ensuring that the arrows point upward. Installing the slats. 5. If you have more than 2 panels, the longest slat must be used for the center panels. A. Starting with the operating slat, insert the slat into the hole marked by a colored dot of the U-shaped cover. Insert the side with the P-shaped plastic part first, making sure the plastic part that protrude points upwards and towards the inside of the panel. This panel will be the operating profile side. B. Slide the other end of the slat into the opposite hole marked by a colored dot by pressing on the sliding plastic rod, which allows it to go into the opposite hole. C. Repeat steps 5A and 5B for each slat, starting with the bottom slat and moving upward. Installing the center capping. 6A. Clip the center covers onto the center uprights. Installing the operating profile. 7A. With the operating profile opened and the P-shaped plastic parts of the slats exposed, insert the plastic sprocket from the inside to the outside of the panel. B. Slide the hollow plastic lock ring onto the sprocket and clamp the sprocket with the narrowest hole of the locking piece facing the sprocket. C. Insert and clip the plastic clip inside the plastic locking piece. D. Repeat steps 8A to 8C for each of the slats.